What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
I'm outside walking around and decided to give you a little picture of the view that I'm having this morning walking out. This is our Czech village where, you know, Czechoslovakia, you know, this is people from the Czech Republic. This is their home. This is their place where they shop. There is a lot of, they have a lot of event down in this area in the Czech village. Yeah, a lot of events where you can come and eat foods from Czechoslovakia, from the Czech Republic, from whatever Czech place it is. You know, so see down there is where you can go, and that's where most of them lives. And then you have over here where this is the village where you can go and buy just about anything you want. Czech Republic wise, you know. And then up there you have, up there is called Trash Rushmore. You know, like the Rushmore where the five, is it five people are? Yeah, that's the hill. It's a high hill. I walk it one day and you'll see what's happening. What are going on, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? Hope you is in good health and good strength. Guys, this morning I'm talking to you from outside. Right over there is the Czech village. Yes, the people who from the Czech Republic, that's their village, that's their town. You can go and get just about any meal, any food you want that you would eat when you're in the Czech Republic. So yes guys, so me outside and you know, me a talk and do the thing in a different way. So yes guys, as I was saying, over there is the place are the home of the Czech people from Czech Republic, Czechoslovakia, or whatever you call it. It's called the Czech village. So welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? Alright? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always guys, I hope you not feel no pain. And if you not feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor check on you out. If you don't have the money and make the doctor come at your house, that is very good. If you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. Somebody is coming. Your grandmother, your grandfather, even your in-laws. Yes. Wellness check, guys. Remember, if you do your wellness check, it is very important. If you do your wellness check. Yeah, man. Very, very important. Mental health crisis is not a joke, and it's a very serious situation that we all need to work on. It's not a joke. If today your birthday, go out and have a wonderful day. If you are go to work, make some money, and just enjoy life. And remember, once there is life, there is hope. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much for liking my videos. And guys, if you have the information, send it to me. I will present it for you. And remember, you're not alone. Remember, you are not alone. We are here with you, and we are here for you. You may feel down. You may feel like there's no way out. There is always a way out. It doesn't matter what your life is saying at the moment. There is a way out of everything. There is trust in God. Pray and trust in the Almighty God. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, have you guys been watching Alicia Kim? Alicia Kim been telling you all these things about what happened in her relationship, yeah? But guys, do you hear what Alicia Kim say about that jet ski situation? That jet ski situation. Did you all hear what Alicia Kim say about that jet ski situation? That jet ski situation. Let me be honest. Let me be honest. I personally is going to be very, very honest. And why I'm going to be honest is because that's all I do. Be honest when I'm talking. When you have a husband or a man and you and him go on a jet ski and you, the man, like deliberately drop you off of that jet ski, knowing that the man can swim and dive and do everything in the water, and that man did not come back to help you, and you have to be in that water, give God thanks you have on a life vest. You have to be in that water until the lifeguard come to help you. That alone, that specifically alone should say to you, red flag, red flag. You know red wine? Red wine. Yes, it should say red flag. Jesus have mercy. Did this man accidentally or did this man just drop me off of the bike? For see what I go happen and for see if me I go can help myself. But this man not even try to come and help me. I'm not sinking. I'm not dying. But I'm there. He can swim. But he did not try to at least bring back the jet ski. Because when you bring back the jet ski, she could hold on to the jet ski, climb back on the jet ski, or hold on to the jet ski and you take your time, ride the jet ski back with her to the shore. He didn't do that. Why you think he didn't do that? Because that was his first time of trying to unalive Alicia Kim. Would you all say that? Or would you say that was his first sign of showing Alicia Kim who the real Mackie is? Would you say that other than he tried to unalive her? Okay, let's keep it that way. Let's keep it the way that it was her first time of seeing the real Mackie. However, she still did not see the real Mackie then. Or I figured that's the time she started to really realize that she's in an abusive relationship. Now, to all the people out there who been bashing Alicia Kim, I'm wondering, you see, and I'm going to ask you this question. How are you feeling now that Alicia Kim is saying what happened in the relationship? Because as far as we all see, we have never heard Mackie really tell us what really happened in the relationship, more than listen to what other people say happened in the relationship and talk about it. Have you ever seen something like this? Have you ever seen something like this? Alicia Kim is telling you all the things that Mackie have done to her in the relationship. Up till now, Mackie cannot say the things that Alicia Kim have done to him in the relationship more than he buy her peel cutter. Vegetable peel cutter. Oh, Lord Jesus, the sun get hot out here. But me not complain because in no time it will get cool. But have you ever seen it? Have you ever seen anything like this before in your adult life? You married to a man. As a matter of fact, the man married to you, and you have a relationship, and you're riding a jet ski. You're on a jet ski, and he tilt the jet ski. You fall off the jet ski. And when you fall off the jet ski, he did not even try to come and help you. He did not bring the jet ski back to come and help you, because you can be on the jet ski, ride the jet ski back to the person, make that person hold on to the jet ski. He boasts off about his muscle, so he can simple pull you back on the jet ski. Or if not pull you back on the jet ski, just make you hold on to the jet ski, pull you back to shore. My viewers and subscribers, I simply believe Mackie was showing a lot of red flags that Alicia Kim did not see. And it's now that Alicia Kim is looking back. Now that she's looking back into her life with Mackie, she's really seeing all these red flags. And that's why I'm saying to you guys out there, when you're going into a relationship, always look for everything. Look for the red flags. When you see them, morning, when you see them red flags, stay away from those red flags. Because those red flags is not just coming. Good morning. Those red flags is not just coming just simple. They're coming with a lot of things behind it. I just have to talk about this jet ski stuff, because this is a sign of trying to get this girl out of this world. You know, this is just a sign of trying to make something happen. If you did not try to help her, none at all, listen me good now. I'm not a good swimmer. I can swim. I can swim to help myself. So me and you going on a jet ski, not going to happen. Hello? Me and you going on a jet ski, not going to happen. If me and you go on a jet ski, I am going to be wearing a bubble. You is going to wear a bubble that's, if in case we fall off, we will float to the water, to the land. I am not riding on no jet ski with nobody on the back, because I am not a good swimmer. And if I fall off that jet ski, I'm going to try to help that person. Simple as that. And I am not a good swimmer to help nobody, so I cannot help myself. So why should I go on jet ski with another person? Now, as far as I'm concerned, Mackie is a very good swimmer. Yes, Mackie is a very good swimmer. Mackie can swim really good, and Mackie can dive really good. So why didn't Mackie go back to help Alicia Kim? Huh? That's one question I would like to ask Mackie. Morning again. That's one question I would love to ask Mackie. Why didn't you go back to help Alicia Kim when she fall off? When the two of you fall off the jet ski? Why didn't you go back? And why did she have to be there until the lifeguards come and help her out? Why didn't you go back and do your due diligence as an husband? Did you know about what his name? Singer guy. Garnet Silk. Garnet Silk was in with his mother. and his mother house catch a fire. The mother was in the fire. Garnet Silk went in there and lose his life along with his mother. That's love. That is love. That is what you need. Love. Not saying you should go take your life with just because. But at the same time, it's your wife. She fall off in the water. You should be there helping her. But you didn't do that. But you come out trying to bring her down, and you and your cronies trying to bring her down. Now, I'm going to inject this in there. Have you all see what's going on social media with the Jeffrey and 450? Hey, 450 fast though. 450 can run. So, what am I saying is, you all can see what's going on social media. Social media is getting very corrupt, very bad, very sad though, that social media reached to this level where you cannot be on social media. Morning. You cannot be on social media and have a wonderful time anymore. You have to be careful of what you're saying. You have to watch the word you're saying, because guess what? People will come and try to box you. People will come and try to analyze you. But the thing is, look at what happened. They did not know that Jeffrey was packing. So guys, that's what I'm trying to say to all of you. From a very long time, I've been telling you guys that it needs to stop. See, you all beat Alicia Kim for over a year. Now Alicia Kim coming out saying exactly what happened in the relationship. And do you all see what you guys doing? Running. You guys are running. You run gone. Yeah, run gone. It's rough. Yes, it's rough. But guys, I won't go too far in this. I will leave it alone a little bit. Until the next video, I'm out. Guys, I'm outside. Yes, guys, I'm outside today. And, just doing these videos outside. It's nice. It's winter just finished. And it's nice out here. So, I'm going to people. Today is not food day today. But you don't know. I don't just sit down. I make content when it's not food day. I have a work that I go to. So that's what I go do today. I be going to that work at 3 o'clock. So that's just how life is. And you have to do what you have to do to live and to survive. And the YouTube is good. However, YouTube is not a place where you really don't make a lot of money on YouTube unless people watch the video. And that's why I always try to say to people, watch the video and, to support the content creators, to support the content creator that you like, support the content creator that is talking good. If you notice, a lot of the content creators who are doing the bad stuff, talking bad things, they're getting a lot more likes than a lot of us who is not doing the same thing, because people love gossip. People like to listen to the bad things, and people like to get into people's life, and that's just how it is. So, and to be honest with you, we cannot really say nothing, because some people will talk good, some people will talk bad, and that's just part of life. So guys, again, I can't leave you this time. I'm out. Bye bye. Take care of yourself, and see the beauty. See the beauty? Man, it's beautiful. Beautiful. And that's how life is. Beautiful. Life is nice. Once you have life, you have hope. Whether if life is hard, rough, or simple. And guys, let me say this before I leave. remember, you're not alone. You're not alone. None of you is alone out there. There is people that you can talk to. There's place that you can go. And I should contact a few people. If you're watching this video, I will contact you very soon. I will get the information that I told you I was going to get. So I have them information. It's just to send to you. I've been a little busy. So I'm going to, between today and tomorrow, I will be able to send you those information. So remember, you are not alone. You will never be alone as long as I can talk to you or say something. And also, I want you to remember this. Your body is not lined with steel. Your body isn't lined with in other words, your body is skin, flesh, and bone. So remember, no matter how strong you believe you are, do not underestimate that other person on the opposite side. Why I say that is because you don't know what is in that person's mind. You don't know what that person will do, and you don't know when that person will strike. So before you believe that you can deal with it, try not to deal with it and regret what happened. Sometime moving out, sometime leaving out of the situation is the best solution for the situation. Remember what I said, your body do not line with steel. Only, and even steel can be broken. Listen to what I'm saying again. Your body is not lined with steel. Your body is skin, flesh, and bone. It can be broken. It can be penetrated. It can go away. Metal goes away, but for a long time. Your body will go away by the snap of your finger. So be careful. Be yourself and take yourself away from bad situation. Don't sit there and believe you can change a person. A person can only change his and herself when he or she feel that it's time for them to change. So guys, on that note, I'm out. Bye-bye.